So what's going on, YouTube? Today we're looking at the Marvel Go on a Mission. This is like one of those Loblaws promotion right now. So if you get like a $25 in Canada on your groceries or something like that, you get one of these. A collectible card, okay? I got a few of those because we went shopping, okay? And I've already opened a few. And I actually have a bunch of extras right here. But first, check out our brand new merch from nerdhero.ca. This is a brand new lineup of Deadpool shirts, Why Was Thor Crying shirts, and also upcoming MCU movies like Doctor Doom, like Avengers Doomsday, Fantastic Four, and much more. So go and check it out. Use the promo code BOGO50 to get 50% off your next purchase. So basically, it's a buy one, get one 50% off. All the proceeds from this website helps out the channel a lot. So if you want to help the channel, go ahead and buy one of the shirts. We would much appreciate it. Let's go on with the video. Now these you trade out so that you can collect them all. You need 90 cards in this booklet right here. Which, by the way, is not free, okay? $5 for the booklet. Like, come on. If you're making me play this thing, like, give the booklet for free, or have it like so. If you spend $100, you get a booklet. But anyways, you know, Loblaws cheap, right? I'm gonna get a lot of backlash for this. I'm not promoting it or anything. I'm just showing you guys what I have, and I want to show you as we open this these new cards. I'm gonna review the quality as well of these cards. I mean, they say this is like a tradable collectible cards, okay? And for those of you who have been collecting cards, this is not how it works, okay? If you're doing a Pokemon card trading game, this is not how it works at all. It comes in like a foil, plastic, or whatever. It's a wrapper anyway. And then you get a full card. This is like kind of like, I don't understand how this works. I can, if you are local in Edmonton, I can go and trade you one of the cards so that I could fill mine and I could help fill yours as well, I guess, if you're into that. But let me know in the comments below. This is kind of like what it is. It's kind of gimmicky, you know. It says my superpower is, you know, like, is this meant for kids? Like, I don't understand. You know what I mean? But anyways, once you get to the page, okay, here. So you're trying to fill out these empty ones right here. I already have a few, as you could see there. We have the Doctor Strange, Miss Marvel, Vision, Iron Man, okay? And then a few more on this side. And it just goes on for a few pages, okay? So right now, step one. So we're gonna open this, show you guys how it works. So basically, you get, this is like the one of the cards you get. Super expensive, right? Like, you know what I mean? I mean, super cheap, but very expensive to get. Thanks, Loblaws. Basically, you open this up right here. There you go. And then you get a bunch of cards, okay? Now, the cards, you don't just like slap it on, all right? You get to have fun with it. You get to kind of rip it a little bit like so. Let's see how cheap this is, okay? And the quality of the cards, okay, I'm gonna tell you, it's not very thick, okay? Trading cards, they're thick. And look at this. Super thin, just like a, not even a cardstock. I don't know how thick that is, but it's super thin in my opinion. So now it gives you a number up there, okay? And then you're gonna go to the page where 43 is, okay? So right there, we already have it. As you could see there, 43. There's the numbers, 37, 38, 39, 40, okay? We already have Falcon, so we're just gonna put it aside right there, okay? The next one is Mantis. Let's see what we got here, 64. Okay, we're gonna go to 64 now. Let's see if you already have this card. 64, Mantis. We already have it, okay? 85, let's go to 85 now. It's pretty sad. I think this whole thing right here is like I already have. This is 85. 85 I already have as well. So we're gonna go back to 64. Kind of went over there. 64 is the next page. Oh, we already have that. So 48. 48 is the last one. I think this whole booklet, yes, I already have it right there. Rocket Raccoon. Pretty sad we didn't get any new ones from there. But anyways, we'll move on to our next batch right here. Open this guy up. So let me know what you think of the Loblaws. I'm probably gonna get a little backlash for this, but you know, again, I'm not trying to promote it or anything. I'm just showing you guys what cards I have, and hopefully I can, you know, get something and fill out my booklet right here. So page 20, Quake. Oh, we got a new one there at least. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna rip this all the way through, okay, like so. Once you've done that, you're gonna clip it only on two sides, okay, because the other two sides are for the back side. It's pretty sad, right? And right there. So that's how it works. Now on the process of that, you've already like kind of bent it a bit, so there goes. I don't understand, like now it doesn't look good, I guess. You know, for those of you who are collecting cards, you want to keep the cards pretty mint for the most part, and that's not gonna help you. You know, putting it in this album right here will not help you do that. Okoye, at least we get a new one there. That's good. And the next one, I believe, is already Black Panther. There is already we already have it, so that's kind of sucks. So I guess at least we get Okoye right here. Alright, just like that. Again, we have that Black Panther already, and then we're gonna go to Shuri at page 12, number 12 here. Okay, one more page. 12, Shuri, we already have it, so we're not even gonna open that. There you go. Next, another card right here. Let's open this guy up, see what we get. Hopefully we get new ones. And of course, you're always gonna have those 5 cards that are like super rare and you're never gonna get it, you know what I mean? But anyways, 25, I guess. There's 14. Oh, 14 we already have right there. Okay, we're gonna go past that. 25 we already have. Sad. And we're gonna go 59. 59 we already have as well. And the last one is 77. Man, we're just getting no luck right now. 77. Okay, at least we get that. Get one out of the 4 here. Okay. And that's it for that. That's all we get from that. 1 new one and 3 repetitive ones. There we go. It's not so easy too, right? Okay, now let's open this next one. Let's see what we get. Boom! Okay. This looks promising. I mean, we've already seen that, right? We might have that already, but we're gonna start where we are right now. 80, 85. Okay, 85 is the next page. We already have that right there. Okay, and then 79. Okay, is in this page. 79 right there. Courage 3. Pretty good. Okay, at least we get one new one right there. And hopefully Loki, I think, is a new one. So let's see. There you go. Let's go back to 40 now. 40 right there, Loki. Nice. We get Loki as a brand new one. That's good. It's a good sign. Good sign. And then 25. I probably already got this one. I think I remember this guy from earlier. Yeah. So that's it for that guy. I think we have 2 more. What do you think? Are we gonna get new ones now? Oh, doesn't look good. It don't look good. Okay, let's do 23. Okay, right there. We already got that, 23. Okay. And then let's go to page 3. Oh, Nick Fury, we got a new one. That's good. It's a good one. Good sign for sure. There you go. There. Shuri and Hulk, I think we already have those two, honestly. Let's see what we get. 44! Hulk! Oh, we get a new one too. That's good. It's a good sign. Shuri for sure we already did. We did that earlier. Like, I don't understand the audience for this. This for kids, this for adults. What is it for? Like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Okay, Shuri. Look at that, brand new. That's good, man. I thought that was the old one. Looks different, I guess. 82. Nice. This is a good set right here. We only missed one. Nice. Very good. Very good. And then our last one. Who's your favorite character, by the way? Favorite Marvel character? Let me know in the comments below. Boom. Ooh. Okay. What do we have here? 88. We already have right there. Okay. 77. I think is the next one here. 77. Boom. We already have. Not looking good. 0 for 2. 0 for 4. Let's see. Next one is 29. I think we already have that, to be honest with you. But we're gonna go look at it. 29. Boom. We already have that. Oh my gosh. This thing is like a flop. Our last batch is a flop. That's so sad. Oh, we get one. We get 1 out of 4. So sad, guys, so sad. Our last one is such a flop. So sad. But anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. This is me, the Loblaws Marvel collection. If you are in Edmonton, please trade with me. You know, there's a few cards here that I can show you right now, I guess, so that you guys know what I have, okay? So a few cards so that you guys can look at it and see if you already have it or not. Trade with me, please, so I can get that 90. I don't even know what you get out of it. Like, do you get a raffle? You get, I don't know. So you just, I guess you're able to collect them all. It's pretty sad, right? But yeah. What do you guys think of these cards as well? Is it any good? Do you like Loblaws? Do you shop at Loblaws or any Loblaws, like shoppers, or what do you call that? Superstore, wholesalers? Do you do that? Do you shop on those places at all? Let me know in the comments below. I know they have a big revenue from last year or whatever, and it's, you know, it's sad how companies do that, but it is business. Business is business, right? It's not good at all. It's us that's paying for it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you don't have or what you have, so that we can trade. And if you are from Edmonton, I can definitely willing to trade with you guys if that's the case. So yeah, these are all my cards that I can, or able, or duplicates that I have. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I also have a Marvel t-shirts design. It's called nerdhero.ca, so go ahead and check out the website. It is a website. I design all the designs there. It's a print-on-demand website, so when you buy something, it'll take a little bit, like a week, to get to your home, but it's pretty cool. Check it out. It does help with the channel a lot if you buy it from there. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.